Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my first ever attempt at a gradient nail. I'm really excited yet nervous because I literally have no idea how it will turn out. Let's get to it! First, I prepped my nails and cuticles by applying some almond oil to each cuticle with a Q-tip. Next, I applied a primer or base coat for my nails so they'll last longer. The one I'm using is the Ombreé Infinite Shine 1. Then, as a base color, I applied a white. This is so the colors for my gradient will stand out more in comparison to directly stamping it onto my nails. This is the Rimmel London 60 Seconds Super Shine in 703 White Hot Love. After the first layer dried, I applied a second layer so it's more opaque. After the second layer dried, I sealed it all in with a glossy top coat. This is the Ombreé Infinite Shine 3. Don't forget to wrap the tip to make the mani last. Now, in preparation for my gradient nail, I cover the cuticles with some peel-off liquid so that the polish doesn't get on my cuticles. Honestly, I think you can use PVA glue for this step. Now just wait for it to dry and we're ready for the next step. I have a makeup triangular sponge for the gradients. This is a really good tip because you can just use the scissors to cut off the part that has dried up and it'll be as good as new. Basically what I did was I layered and lined the polishes onto the sponge in the order I want them to be. So the pink on top followed by the peach and finally the white. Note, I put it at the very top of one side of the sponge because it'll be the most convenient for me to stamp onto my nails. Now that's all laid out, I just pressed it onto my blank nails. Now, you guessed it, repeat this for every single nail 1 or 2 more times until it's very opaque and you have a lovely gradient going on. I did forget to film this, but I peeled off the liquid around my cuticles so that it's clean and I have a beautiful manicure going on. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching and going on this journey with me when I first tried to make gradient nails. I think they ended up okay and I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a like, a thumbs up and comment below what I should do in the future. See ya!